Okay, this video is gonna be a I'm gonna wash my hair and I'm gonna do Bantu knots. My hair is under here looking so nasty, y'all. Like I just took my braids out, so it's all, you know, when you put mad stuff in your hair, like edge stuff, and it gets like that gunky and all that, like, oh. Anyways, so let's start this video.
Oh my God!
I was not trying to do it last night. I was not trying to wash it last night. I'm pretty sure many of y'all know it is such a struggle. And so look at that, look at the gunk. Like, ew, it is so time consuming dealing with your hair. And look, it just looks so like, you know when it looks like greasy or like, I don't know how to explain it. So, but honestly, y'all, how are y'all doing with this online school and stuff? Because I'ma tell you, I'm over it. Like, I mean, it sucks, bro. Like, I literally have 5 classes, and yesterday I had my class. And why do we literally disconnect? Like, I just think that was so funny. Like, you know, I thought it was so funny. And the teacher emailed us like, oh my God, guys, I disconnected. But this is me. I wasn't even really on the in the thing, but nobody needs to know that. All right, guys. So since I'm not about to show you me in the shower, this is what I'm gonna be using for my shampoo, and then this is what I'm gonna use for my conditioner. Don't mind that this broke, ghetto. You know, I be opening it, having to do my dip, you know. And I'm gonna be using this brush to detangle my hair because it works so cute. Only when my hair is wet though. If my hair is like this, it's not gonna work out. So yeah, we'll be right back. It might take me like an hour to wash my hair and stuff because I'm just that girl. But we'll be right back. Stay here. Don't leave. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start off with parting my hair all the way down, and then I like to split it into 4 because I don't know about y'all, but it takes me a minute. So I tie up one side of my head and then split the other side into 2, so that way I don't get confused when I'm going through it and twisting it. Okay, so I guess my twisting soufflé, and it gets all under my nails. I put it through the hair that I'm gonna twist, and I just spread it out and all that. Then I split the hairs into 2, and I just twist the remaining 2 pieces, and I just twist them over and over. Just keep going down, stretch it all the way down. And then I wrap it around. I forgot to mention, when I do my Bantu knots, I have these clear rubber bands that are really good for our hair and doesn't pull it out or anything. So I wrap that on the Bantu knot once I finish twisting it around.
Okay, so right now I'm brushing down my edges, making sure they're all caught up, and I'm gonna show you guys what I use. It's a 24-hour edge tamer. So I just apply them, put it all around onto my edges, just put in the gel on it. Well, it's not gel, but you know what I mean. So I just apply it onto all my edges, do it evenly, you know. Then my edge brush, I split it in half, comb it through, and then swoop it up and use my finger to hold it. I just swoop it up, and then I just repeat.
Alright guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, share. You know what to do. Like I said, 200 subscriber wins a giveaway. Alright, so don't want to miss out on it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you next time.